now in the night, so you're going in the forest. And so it so happened you fell down. Why you fell down? Because something you could see, a snake kind of thing, And so when a rope, a snake is there, what happens when you go like this? It gets entangled with the ankle and fell down. You can clearly see snake means it's like a rope, and snake means it is like this, and now you can see clearly what touched your ankle, because mind will tell, isn't it? Even the eyes may not be working because of the visibility issues, but definitely mind will tell, And for sure, and it started pinching here where it got. And then you touched it, because you cannot see it, you touched it. It's cold, warm, blood. Oh my God. No more injuries, but you can see there, blood. Then you have, so you went outside the forest and you ran for your life, because it's a snake, for sure. And you went to the doctor saw it. So there are the 3 marks. Trilakhana, Buddha calls, in Myanmar, whether you are enlightened or not. So 3 characteristics. One has to experience 3 characteristics. Tilakhanas are called, 3 characteristics. Called Siddhanta Vicharana. One has to experience this impermanence nature, and dukkha nature, and this ego nature. Oh my God, all my ananda is nothing but right now ego. It is not egolessness. And oh my God, all that stuff I enjoy is, only causes damaging my health, damaging my mind. All this stuff I indulge in, it's damaging. So now this snake bite, and he saw the 3 marks as exactly he read in that Google, and so snake, and so length, and so dia it is, and so nature it is, and when it bites exactly, the 3 marks will be there, and from that mark, blood, you can see the mark like this. When you clean using the tincture, you will be able to see this. And so when he went to, and when he saw in the light, and when he saw exactly the 3 marks, and he is thinking, so frothing is still not coming, so God is helping him. Hey doctor, please, I'm dying, he is already half dead. In fact, if you are in that place, you are already fear dead. Most of the accidents you read in the newspaper, what you read? Fear dead. Fear dead. Not actual event kills them. It is the fear which kills them. If I were in that place, perhaps I went up to that place. But if you are in that place, perhaps you are already dead. Fear dead. Oh my God. And doctor to examine and clean and apply the spirit. Wait. No, sir, so you give me antivenom injection immediately, you are not giving me, you see blood is coming, I read in the Google, exactly the symptoms match, and you do not know, so I know which is, I have been living by the forest, every day I get so many cases, my dear, I know which snake it is, what it is, it is not a snake, huh? One side I am bleeding and one side is coming, and I am telling you Google explains like this, and you are telling you are joking, huh? And you are ruling out now it is not even a snake. And at least I thought you will wait, and so I thought till the frothing comes from your mouth, till you die, and you watch me die here. No, it is not snake. I am telling you it is not a snake. No. You do not know? He runs. And nothing happened to him. He went to another 1 hour. What happened? There are no symptoms. He is remaining the same. And in fact, what is that? So the blood and what hit him, and so the day already arose on. Then next morning he went into the forest. There is a rope, so which is so a trap for the animals to get caught. So someone a tribal made a rope and so he kept there, and which he hit him, and it is a coir rope. Naturally, it has all those a sharp edge needles, and then oh my God! Now the doctor is right. I should have believed him unnecessarily. For 24 hours I went into panic. Now when I verify the fact, when I saw, it is, so now it is, I know it is not a snake, it is a rope. What a foolishness, What a foolishness, Another example. These examples you have to remember, because these are called pramana. Anumana means standard examples in the spirituality. You should know, it's not Kumar example.